Happy afternoon, kids. Valga Valamudan. I welcome you all for the KA session. KA, that is Know Your Aptitude. This book is given to you, right? Everybody would have noticed. Know Your Aptitude book is given to you, right? So, for what reason it is given to you, people? Yes, each and every one will have a different IQ level, right? So, to know about your IQ level only, it was given. So, Know Your Aptitude session is given for you. So, aptitude is not only about your IQ level and all. In nowadays, in each and everywhere, for example, when you are coming out of the school, when you are writing a NEET or JW exams or UPSC, SSC exam, TNPSC exam, in all the competitive exams, there was an questions from the aptitude. So from now onwards, if we are practicing it, it will be easy for us to crack over there. Okay. So first, what we are going to see is, so now this session we are going to start with one game. So it is like a brain game. It will be like a funny only. The answers will be. So you have to just look at this and you have to say the answers. Okay. See which letter is missing. A, B, C, D is given, right? But E is not the answer. But it should be E only, right? In the continuous consequence, it will be E only. But the answer you should not write E. So what will be the answer? As the answer is F. So when you are writing F in the place of the dash, it will become E. So E only will be there in the sequence, but you will write F to fill that sequence, right? So F will be coming over here. So when I am writing F over here, it will become E. Okay. So shall we start our session now? Yes. So first in our book, it was given as a verbal aptitude, right? So now we are going to learn about the verbal aptitude, okay? The psychometric test to measure your suitability and potential. That means the verbal aptitude test is nothing but a psychometric test to measure our suitability and potential over there. For example, communication, how you would understand the information who's conveying to you, all those things will comes under the verbal aptitude. If I'm having a better verbal aptitude, I can communicate with the persons easily and I can understand their problem and I can understand the information what they are passing also. For that only we are going to learn a verbal aptitude. Okay, so the first one, that means the first lesson what we are going to see is analogy. Okay, so in our lesson it was given, right, the first page of your book. If you now you can take out your book, kids. So analogy, it's literally means a similarity. That means similarity, right? For example, here there was an example. You just look at this newspaper press, it was given. So what is the similarity? That means what is between the relationship between the newspaper and press? So the from the press only we are getting the newspaper, right? So that is the relationship between these two words. But here they are given the two colon, that means two colons it was given, right? So if it is one colon, it will be in the relationship, and if it is a two colon, the next is going to be like a similar to the first one. Is it clear? For example, newspaper, it's coming from the press means cloth it was given. So cloth is coming from where? Where it is getting manufactured. So from the mill, right? From the mill only the cloth is getting manufactured, right? So that you have to write it over here. That means that you have to select as an answer. That is to check our verbal aptitude. Okay, so the first lesson is an analogy. That is nothing but you're going to look at the questions and you're going to look at the answers. In the aptitude, it is the main thing is you are reading the questions very carefully, means that is not sufficient, because you have to realize what will be the possible answer for that particular question, that you have to recognize. So, like in the second one, ship and sea was given, right? So ship will be in the sea, and next is camel is given. Camel will be where? It will be in the desert, right? So like that, we are going to identify the similarity between the words, and we are going to answer for that questions. Is it clear? So before understanding, that means after understanding the questions, you have to look at the answers which is similar to the particular question. So shall we start the session? So here comes the first question from your book. So cricket bat was given. Okay. So hockey is given. For the hockey, for the cricket they will use bat. For the hockey, what they will use? They will use a player or ball or stick or field. Which one they will use? Yes, that is a stick. They will use stick to play the hockey, right? Next is a sheep, flock, cattle. You used to say, right, flock, sheep. That means, see, we know that group of sheep will be a flock. What about the cattle? A group of cattle will be, yes, it is herd. See, kids, the next one, car. They mentioned chaffier. Chaffier. Have you heard the word chaffier, kids? Chauffeur is nothing but now you know the drivers and all, right, for the mobile, that means for the cars. For any automobile, for the private automobile, if any person is employed, they will be called as a chauffeur because they are going to maintain or else they are going to ride in the they are going to drive the car. For that they will mention chauffeur. So for the car they will mention chauffeur, like a driver. For the horse, who will ride the horse or who will guide the horse in the race and all, that is S, a jockey, right? A jockey only will ride, correct? So circle that. The next one, fourth one, Mumbai, Maharashtra was given. So what is the relationship between Mumbai and Maharashtra? So Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state, right? Like Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of which state? That is Kerala. Okay. Next, museum, curator was given. Prison. For the prison, which one will come? For the museum, who's going to manage the museum, they was given as a curator. For the prison, who will maintain the prison? Jailer, right? Next, wax, then grease. So from the wax, next let me wax is there, right? After that, what product we will get from the wax? That is grease, correct? So milk is given. So from the milk, next product, what will be coming? That is a curd. Is it very easy only, right? Because you are going to check the relationship between these two words. After checking the relationship, you know what will be the answer for this, right? So you are going to match the particular answers from the given options, which is going to be similar to like the relationship here, right? So the next one is Saudi Arabia. It is a real. In Japan, the amount, that means the money, is yen. So lungs for man and gills will be given for. So man is having a lungs to breathe, right? So gills will be in the one animal for breathe. What it is? It is a fish. So it is very easy only, right? So the next one shall we move. So the next is an second one. That means in the analogy itself, a second one. Here, not like the last one. Here it was given like a semicolon, two semicolons, right? In between two semicolons is given. Based on these relationship, we will identify the answer for this, right? But in the next one, what we are going to do is we are going to check like a agenda is a meeting. That means before meeting, we will prepare an agenda, right? Like that, what will be coming for the next one they asked. For example, for the function we have to program before itself, right? So that was given as an answer over here. So here what is an answer is they will give the relationship between these two, that means given these two is there, right? So here one agenda word is given, in between semicolon, that sorry colon is given, next is one more word is given, right? So what is the relationship between these two words, that you have to identify. If you identified that, and you have to check likewise, that means similar to this, what is the answer is given in the options, that you have to circle. Is it clear? So, like a knife. Second one is a knife. With the help of knife, who is chopping, they will be called as a chopper, right? So, what will be the next one? That means, what will be the answer? Walking fitness. Who and all walking, they will call as a fitness? No. Scissors, cloth. So, who and all having scissors, they will buy a cloth or else they will have a cloth? No. Swim, float. Swim is a different word and float is a different word. But quilt, blanket. So, it is like a similar one, right? So that you have to circle it. Like a next one is the ladies. Ladies, they will have a purse like that. Fish is a water. No relationship between that. Without the water, it can't live. But without the purse, the ladies can live, right? Next one is the lizard is an insect. It will comes under the insect, but it is not having the insect with the lizard, right? So this also won't come. Next is a pocket gents. If gents are having a pocket that is related to the ladies' purse, no. So gents wallet only will be coming as an answer, right? So like that, badminton will be played in the court. Like that, what is given over there? So what will be the answer? Find out. Badminton court is given. So the answer will be skating rink. Okay. Next one, dusk night. Dusk they mentioned and night is given over here. So just check out which one will be the answer. Afternoon, evening, or what will be coming as an answer. See here, dusk and night is given, right? What will be coming as an answer over here? Both are same meaning, right? Here both are same meaning which is available. Afternoon is a different one, evening is a different one, so it won't come. Walking and running is a very different one, so it also won't come. Day and light is very opposite to each other. But infant, child, that means from the infant only child will come, right? So before the child they will say, we will say infant, before the night we will say dusk, right? So infant and child will be the answer for this. Like teeth, with the help of teeth we used to chew. So next one what will come? The answer will be, sorry, 1 second. So for the answer will be for this, see, with the help of teeth we used to chew, right? Like that, food we can't taste. With the help of tongue only we will taste. Like that, sweater it will give a heat, but it can't make it to heat. If we are wearing that, then only it will become heat, right? So mind is used to think. So this will be the answer for this. Like that, for the seventh and eighth one, you have to do it. Is it clear? So now we are moving to the C section. That means C, the second, third one, third page of it. So it is a very easy one that you have to in within the oval shape the two letters was given, right? You have to identify what is the relationship between these two letters, and you have to identify for the last one. Shall we check that once? See, B is given and E is given. So within B and E, how many letters are there? Two letters, right? C and D is there. Likewise here also check it out once. D and G is there. After D, E and F will come, right? So in between these two letters, two letters are there, correct? So like that, after S, what will come? T U, right? So what will be the answer? The answer will be V. So because here the relationship between these two letter is a two letter within these two will come. So likewise within S and V two letters will be there. So it will satisfy that particular property. So the next one is ZW. So it came in the forward, that means normal order, A B C D order, right? But here it is in a Z to A order. So listen it. Z is given and W was given, right? Within Z and W, how many letters are there? X, Y. Two letters are only two letters, but in the reverse order, right? X and Y is there. Like that, within U and R. After R, S, T will come and U will come, right? Here also 2 is there, correct? So M is given. In backwards, you have to think two letters. After that, you have to mark that. So after, that means before M, what will come? L, right? So like that, two letters you have to skip in the backward and you have to identify the answer. So the answer is J. Now coming to the third one, C and X is given. Next, D and W was given. E, V. Before and all only two letters, right? But here C was given and X was given. Like C is the third letter from the beginning. Likewise, X is the third letter from the last, right? So likewise we have to think of it. So like that only D and W relationship is also there, right? Because A, B, C, D. D is a fourth letter from the beginning. Likewise, W is a fourth letter from the last. So F is a sixth letter from the beginning, right? So what is the sixth letter from the backward, from Z to A? What is the sixth letter? That is, which one will come? U will come. Okay, U is an sixth letter from the backward. If you are checking U